Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off picture-in-picture mode on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is just swipe up on your home screen and select the Settings button. And then you want to go down underneath Settings where it says Apps and open that up. And now underneath General, scroll down and select Special App Access. And then there should be a picture-in-picture mode pretty much near the middle of this page, I would say. So go ahead and select that. And then for any app in here that you want to enable picture-in-picture mode, let's say, for example, YouTube, just would go ahead and select the app. So you can see it's turned on right now. It's indicated by the blue oval in here, and it's toggled to the right. If you want to disable picture-in-picture mode, click on the oval one time to turn it off, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.